So you can use any biscuit you'd like. Today I decided to use the Pillsbury buttery biscuits. And you want to cut all of the biscuits into 4s just like this. And then after your biscuits are cut into 4s, I just like to roll them. So next you want to take a gallon-sized baggie and you're gonna put a teaspoon of the cinnamon in there. And then a half cup of sugar. And you just want to make sure that's all mixed up really well. You're also going to need to spray your bundt pan. You can also use butter if you'd like. So once your biscuits are rolled and your cinnamon sugar's all mixed up, you can put a couple of the rolled balls into the cinnamon sugar bag. And you put them in there and then just shake them up. After they're fully covered, they're gonna look more brown, and you're gonna put them at the bottom of the pan. Once half of your biscuits are in the pan, you're gonna wanna take a microwave-safe bowl and put a stick of butter in it so you can melt it in the microwave. You're gonna wanna add a half cup of brown sugar and make sure it's fully packed in there so you get plenty of that sugar. And you wanna mix it into the butter until it's completely dissolved and makes a syrupy type mixture. You're gonna take half of this mixture and pour it on top of the biscuits. And then you're gonna repeat the process from the beginning. Once the oven's preheated, just put it in there uncovered. So you're gonna wanna set a timer for 35 minutes. It could take up to 45 minutes, but just make sure to take it out at that 35 and check it because it could use less or more time depending on your oven. You want to take it out of the oven and let it sit for 5 minutes. After it sits for the 5 minutes to cool, you're going to take it and flip it onto a plate, a pan, whatever you'd like to put it on. And then you can take the pan off and you have your monkey bread.